Smoothies to lose belly fat fast. The smoothie diet is hands down one of the easiest ways to lose weight without starving or depriving yourself. We all want a fast and delicious weight loss program, right? Who wants to feel deprived? I sure don't. And I bet you don't want to deprive yourself either. I have found the most convenient and super delicious way to get weight off quick is to create smoothies at home. The smoothies are so easy to make and they taste great. You can easily take them with you to work or to school or wherever you need to go. You know how we are always told we need to eat more fruits and vegetables in our diet? Well, fruits and veggies are packed with vitamins and other essential nutrition that our body needs. Plus most fruits and vegetables are filled with fiber and are low in calories. So what do you get when you blend up some delicious sweet fruits with a few vegetables and some crushed ice? You get a low-calorie, meal replacement that fills you up and also helps you lose weight. The first time I did a smoothie diet I lost over 10 pounds in just over 2 weeks and I was never hungry. I filled up on tasty low-calorie all-natural smoothies and the weight just came off so easy. Now, some of you may have purchased those high-dollar smoothies from Jamba Juice or a neighborhood smoothie store. Those are so darn expensive and quite often those stores use fruit that has added sugar so you get those added calories. What you really want to do is make your own weight loss smoothies at home. You can simply do your own smoothie diet that will help you get the weight off quick. It is way easier than you think and you will love the results. Check out the smoothie diet today. It is a 21-day rapid weight loss program. Delicious, easy-to-make smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy and incredible health. Right now with their $10 discount, you can get started for only $37 one time. Click the link in the description for details.